Basically like a flying battery. This is what I get for being super late. A lot of people here.
24 hours late.
What the? Hey guys, what's up? My name is Tim. I'm out here in Bali, Indonesia, and I'm gonna be unboxing the DJI FPV combo today. I've never flown FPV, but I've been like so excited about it and waiting for this for a very long time. I only have a little bit of time because today we're actually also taking a boat over to the neighboring island of Gili. So this is gonna be a really express unboxing and first impressions, possibly maiden journey, of the DJI FPV drone. Yeah, got it. Woo! Yes. Everyone's asking me how much does it cost. We weren't able to find the Fly More package anywhere, but the basic FPV is 19,999,900, basically 20 million Indonesian rupiah. Yeah. Open the box. My 7th drone. It's a bit smaller than I thought it would be. So inside we have the drone, the FPV drone from DJI. This is incredible. Basically like a flying battery. It's 90%, 80% of the weight is battery, and it just has the propellers and the cage around it. It is about a little bit bigger than the size of my hand. I got medium biggish size hand. So it's about this big. Are these goggles? Cool. This is gonna be interesting. This is gonna be exciting. Put this here, take the foam out. So you got the controller, propellers, more propellers, batteries, power adapter, and other accessories all in here. It's very unique. I'd say it's about the size of the Mavic Air 2, but it just has a totally different form factor than all the other drones. Wow. It definitely looks like they've spent some time thinking about this, like everything DJI, of course. Let's see what else is in all these boxes. And again, we gotta hurry because I gotta get to another island. Looks like goggle accessories, goggle antennas. Ooh, looks like if you wanted to switch this out to this hornet green, you can, and I'm sure there's many more of these coming. All the cables, USB-Cs, charging cables, all the prongs are all right here. Yeah, this looks like some kind of strap for your head. This is really cool. These are all just charging accessories. This is a huge power brick compared to the other ones. It's about 50% bigger. Goggles battery. One set of propellers. This drone's a reasonably small size, but it doesn't fold. So it's not as compact as the Mavics. So hypothetically, you have to figure out how to put like this, and the drone in some kind of container or some kind of bag or box if you're gonna take it somewhere. So this is pretty much everything that's in the box. So I wonder what I should do first. Let's get the manual back out. Quick start guide. 8 steps. Download the app, charge the batteries, charge everything. This is 100% dead. Not even 1% charged on arrival, so I don't think we'll see much until we get to the Gili Islands. So let's just plug all this in and jump to the Gilis. I am, of course, wildly late, but off now to Padang Bai for a boat over to Gili. When you buy the drone from the store, they give you an FPV mask, and it's so nice and so comfortable. So I'm gonna be rocking that this trip. Oh wow, Bobby literally is right here. It's such a beautiful day. We're going off to the Gili Islands again. We're late though, so we gotta go. Basically, this is what I get for being super late. This is gonna take all day. So if you remember, I started this trip with a totally different group of people. I actually overslept. That's what happened. It's 24 hours later. We're gonna see those people there. But Amina here, my friend, and Ray, new friend, they saved my black ass. Finally, after a 36-hour sleeping delay.
So sad we're not on the same ferry, but I hope you guys have an amazing time in Gili.
It's a bit chaotic. There's a lot of people here. This boat is super late, but I think we're getting on it. We're gonna get checked now. Thank you. This is a lot. You pack snacks.
Nasi goreng Juna the Bali way.
Ready.
One eternity later.
I guess we made it. Within my second time here, that boat ride was wildly more. Oh no, I'm all good. Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you? Very friendly people here. I left my house at about 10:30. Right now it's about 5:30. I don't know, really long. Very, very long trip. Trying to find where we're staying now.
Welcome!
I made it.
24 hours late.
So I had a really long conversation with my lawyer that I totally forgot about. From 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. Pickup was 5 a.m. I closed my eyes for 1 second. I fell asleep. And then these guys had to break into my house. I just I'll go later. And later ended up being 24 hours later. But guess what, guys?
You made it.
No, something else.
You brought the FPV drone?
That too. Something else.
You...
Drinks on me, guys. Better late than never. But never late is better. This is the room. Little bathroom. Little bed. And a fridge. This is pretty good. My friends, their rooms are there because they showed up on time. Oh, all the zeros, very secure. We've found ourselves to a beautiful sunset. There is an insane view of Mount Agung. It's a little bit cloudy, but it's insane. Finn is gonna throw up his Mavic Air 2. It's the next morning now, and you know it's a great night when you sleep with the keys in the door. I just get fried rice, because fried rice is life. Okay, back to what you guys have all been waiting for. I'm gonna try and set up this drone now. So I just actually watched a few other videos from the DJI site and a couple even on YouTube that are showing a little bit more about how this all works, because it is very different, guys. It is not the same as the Mavics at all. I couldn't even figure out exactly how to do it without reading the instructions. It's still simple, it's just not intuitive. I guess we fire this thing up. You gotta go ahead and plug in this battery into the goggle, and then you use this cable to plug it into your phone, iPad. The DJI Fly app is the one that you need for the FPV drone. I'm gonna go ahead and put the antennas for the first time on the headset. Laura, Finn, and Susan are somewhere. Supposed to be here soon, but I'm pretty much ready to go. So I think I'm gonna try and turn it on now. So we have 3 errors. We have a sensor system error, we have an IMU initialization error, and we have aircraft SD card speed too low, which is just me being lazy and putting in a slow SD card. That's not really that big of a deal. So I'm in here trying my hardest to calibrate all of these. The first table we were using is a metal table, so it probably triggered all the magnets and all that. It couldn't figure itself out. Let's see. Yep, no more errors, so we're ready to fly once we put these props back on. What the? Wow. Holy crap. Wow, that is like if Elon Musk was a drone. I literally cannot believe how fast this thing is. We're gonna move to another location and try this again. This time with a memory card. We got another full battery. It does take quite a bit longer to set up. Whew, and I'm so hot here in Gili T. Let's try and shoot this one more time. Back in Canggu now. Oh my god, that boat ride was ridiculous. But anyway, we didn't really get to fly the FPV drone much while I was out there, and the first time we flew it, there's some memory card issues, but I have an expert coming today who's gonna help us set this thing up properly because he knows a thing or two about FPV. Looks like we found a little break in the rain. We went about 3 minutes away from where I live, and we've got Z here. Z is a professional FPV pilot, so I think there's no one better to actually show what this thing can do in full acro and manual mode than someone like Z. We thought, why not see what he thinks? So we're gonna go ahead and fly right now.